Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Let's put in $1. Oh yeah, news alert. All right, so there's $1. It's gonna keep giving me more money. That's great. There's $2. Let me lock in some money. All right. This is $3. All right, now let's close out.
Order filled.
And there's about a $3.25 drop all within a minute. So let's go over what happened. Inverted H, lightning to the downside. Inverted H, moving average bounce, close enough slingshot. Inverted H, moving average bounce, 555, slingshot. As always, never forget, be a pro.